I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change what dice you're using in the D&D Beyond mobile app. First, let's look at where you can go to buy new digital dice in the D&D Beyond mobile app. Step 1. Tap to open the D&D Beyond app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Marketplace in this menu. The associated screen opens. Step 2. Tap to expand the Beyond Digital submenu and then tap Dice in this menu. The digital dice screen is displayed where you can scroll through all of the digital dice options you can purchase for use in D&D Beyond from Wizards of the Coast. Next, let's look at the steps to change what dice you're using in D&D Beyond. Step 1. Tap Characters in the menu along the bottom of your screen and then tap to open the character you want to change the dice for. A menu opens. Step 2. Tap the settings icon to open a menu and then tap My Dice in this menu. You'll see all of the dice you own that are available for you to use on this screen. You'll see a currently equipped tag associated with the dice you're currently using. Step 3. Tap Equip associated with the dice you want to switch to use. Those dice will be equipped and you'll start rolling with those dice immediately. And to be clear, these dice will be equipped for all of your D&D Beyond characters, so if you want to use a different set of dice for a different character, you'll need to navigate back to this screen and equip those dice for that D&D character. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.